So I passed Next Gen NCLEX with ReMar. So my story is a little different, but I like to think that makes my testimony to Regina's program even greater. So I started out as an EMT. I didn't go through a regular LPN program like the rest of my ReMar nurses. I was an EMT through the Air Force, and because our scope of practice is that of an LPN, in some states we're able to challenge the board. So in my state, we had to take a review program before we started. So I was kind of searching, looking through different programs, and I came across ReMar, and I think it made the choice really easy once I found out that it was more content based, and that's exactly what I knew that I wanted. So I went through the program, I watched all the videos, passed all the quizzes, I made it through those exams, those final exams, and then I decided I was going to take the computer adaptive test that she has. And for me, the computer adaptive test was exactly like the NCLEX that I had. So I felt really comfortable when I went to take it on exam day. I felt like I was at home, just in my room on my MacBook, taking her computer adaptive test. And her computer adaptive test came back and said that it thought that I would pass. And I was still a little on the fence about it, but I decided that that was enough for me and that I was gonna take my test. And when I went in there, I got the minimum 85 questions, and I had like an hour left. So I did use 4 hours of it, but I had like an hour left, and I took it and I did the Pearson Mutual and I passed. So I'm currently a licensed practical nurse, and I'm working in corrections, and I have been having a really good time. So if you think that the choice is hard, I'm here to tell you to choose ReMar. Go ahead, don't hesitate, choose ReMar. I started as an EMT, so I understand I didn't have all the extensive nursing. I did 6 weeks of nursing in my program, and with Regina, I passed. So choose ReMar, and come join the ReMar nurse crew.